Okay, ein anderer Song von Alone Romeo. Genau, jetzt ja alleine. Früher waren wir mehrere Romeos, aber egal. Die Songs spiele ich immer noch total gerne und den Song, den ich euch jetzt spiele, der heißt This Girl is Driving Me Mad. Geht los. First time I saw her in a very hot summer night, I was blinded by her beauty and sat down by her side. She was looking so good to me, and very soon she got me down on my knee. This girl is driving me mad. This girl is driving me mad. This girl is driving me mad. Hey! Now we are together and I'm losing all my friends. I could help myself, isn't a strange romance. Do everything she wants me to do. Think just nothing but I love you, yeah. This girl is driving me mad. This girl is driving me mad. This girl is driving me mad. Whoa! This girl is driving me mad. This girl